Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm pretty excited because I'm going to show you how to import and customize this high converting bonus page for your funnel. So if you have optimized press, I'm going to show you how to import it. And if you don't, no worries, I'll show you how to create the .html version using a free software called Kompozer and a free file manager called FileZilla. So we'll be using these two things for the free version, and I'll have all this information in the description below. But I'm going to try to keep this video as quick as possible. So I'm going to show you the template, and then I'm going to show you both ways of getting it done. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, on the first one, I'm going to start with Optimized Press. If you're on your WordPress main dashboard and you already have Optimized Press installed, just go over to the left-hand side. Right underneath Optimized Press, you'll see where it says Funnels. And this is just assuming that you already have it installed and activated. I'm just going to start with a clean slate here. I'm going to click on Create a New Funnel. And then I'm just going to show you the template, and I'm going to show you how you can get it. I want to show you what it looks like in the funnel. So from here, I'm just going to create a funnel from scratch. And then I'm just going to call it example bonus page. I'm going to take this and I'm going to name that the description as well, create a new funnel. Now I have templates in here, so we're going to use these as the example. So all we got to do from here, this is the main visualizer page. I'm going to click on add next funnel step, create from template. So fortunately, we have some templates to choose from. Now, there was like a bug in the system earlier preventing me from being able to load up my template. So for any reason that happens, no worries. I'll show you how to get this done regardless. So I'm just going to click on my templates. So they look like the bug is still persisting. So from here, what I'll do instead is I'll just go ahead and click on blank templates, and I just choose any one of these, and I'll show you how I can get this template from my main Optimized Press dashboard. So I just go ahead with this one, click on OK, and then we'll go straight into the Optimized Builder from here. So let's go ahead and click on Edit, and then Edit in Optimized Builder. So here we are. Now from here, I'm just going to add a new section. So we're going to go ahead and click on this, and then just open up this area and make it available here. And then I'm going to go up here to sections, and then click on this drop down, and then scroll down to where it says my sections. And these are the templates that I'm talking about. Now they should populate in here. So here we are. So everything is going according to plan. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and I just want to show you a template that I have for my bonus page here. So, and again, you can use these. I actually have two different versions of them. One of them comes with a countdown timer, another one doesn't. We're just going to go with the one that doesn't have a countdown timer just for this video. I have a bonus page template 1, and then I'm going to be throwing bonus page template 2, I believe is the one with the countdown timer. I'll throw that into my course instead. So I'll just leave this one for the free version, bonus page template 2. So let's go ahead and click on template 1 and see if this one, I believe this one actually doesn't have the countdown timer. But if it does, no worries, I'll just change them out. All right, yeah, so it looks like this one doesn't have the countdown timer. So let me just go through this real quick. It's really simple. As you can see, there's not much on this page, but the whole purpose of this page is to 10x your conversions. So instead of sending your email subscribers directly to the sales page, send them through this bonus page instead of just the main offer. We're giving them a bundle. So let's go through here. For a limited time only, get the XYZ offer, and that's whatever your affiliate offer is or your main offer. And I'll give you $483.14 in bonus trading courses, absolutely free. Now, I got this number from the offers that I was using for my keto plan. Just tallied up how much they were individually worth, and then I just put them all together into that number there. And then as you scroll down, you'll actually see them individually. So you have the price point for offer 1, you have the price point for offer 2, and you have the price point for bonus 3. So below the headline, it says, yes, that's right. I'm going to be giving you my new bonus training collection, and you can name this whatever you want, valued at whatever your price point is, absolutely free when you order the XYZ main offer today. And again, that's your affiliate link or whatever your main product is. And then you just put like a little bundle pack, like an image of a collection of your offers together all in one photo. So it just looks extremely valuable. Why am I doing this? I genuinely believe the XYZ main offer is the fastest way for anyone to accomplish XYZ main benefit. So you just got to say that I genuinely believe that my main offer is the fastest way to accomplish whatever the main benefit is for your market. And it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or if you've been struggling with the XYZ main challenge or problem in the market for a while. Because my XYZ main offer will take you by hand and show you how to accomplish the main benefit in the quickest and most easiest time possible. So as a way of saying thank you for ordering through me, I'm going to throw in my free bonus training collection valued at $483.14 free of charge. When you use my free bonus training collection in conjunction with the XYZ main offer, you'll get even bigger and faster results than ever before too. And then you give them some bad news. Now, this is an urgency booster. I'm afraid this special subscriber offer is an extremely time-limited offer. Once it ends, you'll never be able to get all of these bonuses valued at $483.14 for free ever again. So if you want access to all of these bonuses when you order the XYZ main offer, make sure to order them ASAP to avoid disappointment. And so you have another image here of your bundle collection, and then you explain clearly how to get started. Step 1, order the XYZ main offer, and you put the affiliate link right here. Step 2, email me here, and you put your email address right here, and you just hyperlink it, and I can send you $483.14 worth of bonuses. Here's what you're getting when you order the XYZ main offer through me today. Bonus 1, carb cycling for weight loss. This is just for the offer that I had for some main, I believe it was custom keto diet. So you just scroll down and then you put the image there for your first bonus, and then you just explain to them in a couple of bullet points what exactly it does. Same thing for the second bonus, and same thing for the third bonus. You just put the image of it there, and then you put 3 bullet points of what it does, like the main benefits, what problem it can help them solve, and then you put the value, like the price point right there. And then at the end, it says to get these bonuses worth XYZ for free, just follow these simple instructions. Step 1, order the XYZ main offer. They have to get your main product first. Step 2, email me here with the receipt, ideally, and I can send you $483.14 worth of bonuses. So this is the bonus page. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you click on it, it's going to take you to your Optimized Press dashboard, and it's going to say that you received the template successfully. So it's really simple. You just click on a link, and then once you receive it in your dashboard, you automatically should have the template pop up in your template section. And then from there, you can just go to your Optimized Builder, and then you click on up here where it says Sections, and then you scroll down to where it says My Sections, and then you'll see your templates pop up in here. And so you should see it after you click on the link in the description, and you don't have to put in your email address or go through some opt-in funnel. You should be able to immediately import this and customize it however you want. I'm going to show you real quick how to do this for free, and if you don't have Optimized Press. So let me just go ahead and delete this top portion here. It shouldn't look like that. I just realized that there was some extra space up there. So it should look just like this. The headline starts right at the top of the screen, and this is the entire bonus page here. Now, in order to do this on the free CSS page.html editor, which is Kompozer, we can either go about this a couple of different ways. You can highlight all of this and copy it and paste it onto this blank canvas here. So just paste it like so, and it should come up like this. Just click on OK. So I have it all copied and pasted here. So from here, you just have to tinker around. Now, it's a little bit more tricky with the blank canvas HTML editor. It's a lot more moving around and adjusting and tinkering that you have to go through. But this is my suggestion, at least for now. I've been mainly using Optimized Press for the last like 6 months. So it's been a couple of years since I've used the CSS HTML editor, but this is what it looks like once you copy it. So another thing you can do is you can just take the page source code and you go to source right here, and then you just copy and paste it in here after the main header. So that's another thing you can do, and then just click on design and then come back in here and just make the adjustments. So once you're done, one thing I want to tell you is if you have images on this .html editor, you need to make sure that you upload those images into your FileZilla. So I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. So on FileZilla right here, this is mine for my website. So essentially what you want to do is you want to save the page. The main page is going to be in your website here. So you got to get this information from your hosting company, as far as like your host name, your username, your password, all of the stuff you will see in your cPanel. But this is basically just the same thing as your cPanel's file manager, in my personal opinion. You can do essentially the same stuff, except this is on your main desktop or your main computer. So from here, on the left-hand side, we have your desktop, and on the right-hand side, we actually have your website's files. So I'm going to go ahead and quick connect again, just make sure that I'm logged in, and then quick connect. So establish connection, a new tab, abort previous connection. I'll go ahead and do that, and always perform this action, please, because there's really no point in having multiple tabs. So it's successful. Now, these are all the files on my website, and these are all of the files on my desktop. So once you save your actual file here, you're going to save it and then put it on your desktop. You're going to drag and drop that from your desktop onto your main website here. So from FileZilla, once you upload it to here, you just basically, what I normally do is I'll just go ahead and click on rename here, and then I'll copy this, and then I put that after my main website's domain name. So yeah, that'll pretty much be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description, jonathancoast.net. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And also be sure to check out the tools and the resources below. I'll have everything that I covered in this video. So yeah, with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.